Federal Reserve Board will issue a discussion paper this summer outlining our current thinking on digital payments, with a particular focus on the benefits and risks associated with CBDC in the U.S. context. We are committed at the Federal Reserve to hearing a wide range of voices on this important issue before making any decision on whether and how to move forward with a U.S. CBDC, taking account of the broader risks and opportunities it could offer. The paper represents the beginning of what will be a thoughtful and deliberative process.
There's a lot of promise in these electronic currencies. They have a potential to make financial services much more inclusive. They lower the transaction costs involved in holding cash and moving cash. They can make it more secure. And we have seen some of the advantages of digital currencies during the recession last year, when the fiscal authorities in China used electronic means to target fiscal support to particular consumers in a helpful way.